We had 9 vans. Since then, we've got like 150 people now, not 50. 150 of the greatest people in the history of humanity. People that are changing one another's lives and making each other's lives better on a daily basis. We all, in ways that we can't explain, and in some ways we don't even know, rely on each other all day, every day, to make things work. Let's keep being the kinds of people that we want to see more of in the world. We thought that we were releasing people to pursue a more adventurous life for themselves. And then we discovered we're all traveling and exploring. We need each other. And let's keep collecting people who need to be a part so that we can go out, build a better world for the next folks who come along to fill the role of storytellers. In the process, we can help others figure out what it really means to live free, explore endlessly, and tell better stories. I love you all. I appreciate you.